From here, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. From here, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. Tonight's theme is calm productivity, and this session builds calm through repetition and pacing. Notice your chest feeling more open while your breathing begins to deepen. In your own steady timing, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. From here, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. In this next moment, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Without rushing, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. Breathe in for 4 and let the inhale settle. Hold briefly, then breathe out for 6 and let the exhale ease. Again, in for 4, out for 6, and notice how the room feels quieter each cycle. In this next moment, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. With your mind organized, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. Without rushing, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. While you listen, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. In your own steady timing, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. In this next moment, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Without rushing, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. In your own steady timing, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. As you continue, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. As you think about calm productivity, notice that your internal pace is now collected and your attention is clear. From here, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. In your own steady timing, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Let the idea of productivity settle into your breathing as a calm, practical reference point. As you continue, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. As you continue, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In this next moment, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. Step 10, and let your body become more settled. Step 9, and let your body become more steady. Step 8, and let your body become more anchored. Step 7, and let your body become more rested. In this next moment, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. Step 5, and let your body become more open. Step 4, and let your body become more anchored. Step 3, and let your body become more centered. Step 2, and let your body become more centered. Step 1, and let your body become more centered. While you listen, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. In this next moment, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. Without rushing, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As your attention narrows, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. While you listen, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. From this focused state, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. With your mind organized, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As your attention narrows, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From here, notice the quiet order of a single clear thought. With your mind organized, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. With your mind organized, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. As you think about calm productivity, notice that your internal pace is now stable and your attention is stable. As the rhythm deepens, keep your breathing slowly and your posture patient. From here, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As you continue, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. While you listen, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As your attention narrows, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. From this focused state, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. While you listen, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As your attention narrows, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As you continue, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In this next moment, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Right now, you begin to complete this next block with steadiness. As you continue, notice a clean line of attention through one priority. While you listen, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As your attention narrows, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. As you think about calm productivity, notice that your internal pace is now still and your attention is unhurried. Settle, soften, stay present. From this focused state, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As your attention narrows, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From this focused state, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. Without rushing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. You arrive with a restorative breath and an effortless mind. You respond to calm productivity with steady intention, not urgency. In your own steady timing, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From here, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In your own steady timing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes.